Third grade, today is Wednesday and we are on lesson 15. It starts on page 88. In your book, we're on Power Up A. All right, looks like this. Then we're going to do some counting. You rock out your mental math, we'll correct it together, and then your problem of the day down at the bottom of the paper. All right, go ahead, press pause, get your facts done, and then when you press play, we'll correct them together. If you're listening to the video right now, you should already be done with your facts at the top. Make sure that your name is on it. We'll go ahead and correct it together. 6 plus 6 is 12. 3 plus 8 is 11. 5 plus 9 is 14. 2 plus 3 is 5. 4 plus 9 is 13. 3 plus 4 is 7. 8 plus 9 is 17. 2 plus 7 is 9. 0 plus 3 is 3. 4 plus 4 is 8. 4 plus 8 is 12. 2 plus 9 is 11. 7 plus 8 is 15. 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. 2 plus 6 is 8. 5 plus 5 is 10. 6 plus 7 is 13. 3 plus 7 is 10. 9 plus 9 is 18. 7 plus 9 is 16. 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 plus 5 is 11. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 9 is 15. 4 plus 7 is 11. 0 plus 0 is 0. 2 plus 2 is 4. 3 plus 9 is 12. 5 plus 8 is 13. 3 plus 6 is 9. 8 plus 8 is 16. 4 plus 6 is 10. 2 plus 5 is 7. 6 plus 8 is 14. 3 plus 5 is 8. 7 plus 5 is 12. And 10 plus 10 is 20. And 2 plus 8 is 10. 7 plus 7 is 14. Excellent. Now we're counting by fours from 4 all the way up to 60. Do it with me. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 44, 48, 52, 56, 60. Excellent. Today we're adding more numbers with zeros. A says 400 plus 500. 400 plus 500, 4 plus 5 is 9, so you get 900. B says 600 plus 320. Zero plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 2 is 2. 6 plus 3 is 9, so you get 920. C says 254 plus 100. 254 plus 100, my 100th place is just going to bump up by 1 because 2 plus 1 is 3. So you get 354. Thanks for following along with these power-ups. It's an easy way to get 10 points and boost your math grade. Letter D says 39 plus 25. 9 plus 5 is 14. 1 goes up, 4 comes down. 1 plus 3 is 4, plus 2 more is 6, so you get 64. E says 19 plus 27. 9 plus 7 is 16. 1 goes up, 6 comes down. 1 plus 1 is 2, plus 2 more is 4, so we get 46. F, what is the value of 3 nickels and 2 pennies? Well, 3 nickels, that's 5 cents each, so 5, 10, 15, plus 2 pennies. Pennies are each worth 1, so 1, 2 cents. 15 plus 2 is 17, so you get 17 cents. G says, what's the value of 3 quarters? Remember, quarters are worth 25, so we could either do 25 plus 25 plus 25. 5 plus 5 plus 5 is 15. 1 goes up, 5 comes down. 2 plus 2 is 4, plus 2 more is 6, plus 1 more is 7, so we get 75 cents. Otherwise, if you're really good at counting by 25s, you can say 25, 50, 75, and you get 75 cents. H says the price of a baseball glove is $19. The price of a baseball is $3. What's the total cost of 1 glove and 1 ball? So we need to do $19 plus $3. So 19 plus 3. 9 plus 3 is 12. 1 goes up, 2 comes down. 1 plus 1 is 2, so we get $22. Excellent. Problem solving says Talmai, I think. Tomai has a total of 10 coins in his left and right pockets. He has 4 more coins in his right pocket than in his left pocket. How many coins does he have in each? All right, so we've got 10 total coins. He's got his left and his right. Now he's got 4 more in his right pocket. So when we subtract both of those, we have to get when we subtract those, we have to get 4 as the difference between the left and the right pocket. So this one is one that we're going to use guess and check to try to find our answer. Now, you might be thinking right away, oh, easy, it should be 6 and 4. Well, if I put 6 in my right and 4 in my left, 6 minus 4, I only get 2. So that can't be it. I got to make those a little bit, I got to make that gap a little bit bigger. So how about I put 7 in one and 3 in the other? So his right pocket has more, so let's go 7 in my right pocket and 3 in my left pocket. Now let's subtract those. 7 minus 3. Boom, that equals 4, so that's what we need. So right has 7, left has 3 coins, because 7 minus 3 is 4, so that correctly solves our problem. Once you're done with that, go ahead and flip it over. We're going to get going on our new concept for lesson 15, subtracting 2-digit numbers with regrouping. Make sure you keep this out and follow along with my video, and I'll see you at my whiteboard. Third grade, today we're on lesson 15. Let's get going on our objectives. Today you will learn how to subtract with regrouping. All right? Turn over your paper. You've got your example at the top right here on my board. Today we're going to learn what do we do when we get to a problem that we can't subtract. How do we regroup that? So yesterday we looked at taking this problem, starting in the ones, and doing 6 minus 9. Well, hold up a sec. If you had 6 pencils and I asked you to take away 9 of those and give them to me, it would be impossible because you only have 6. So that's our key. If the number on the bottom is bigger than the number on the top, we got to go next door and regroup. All right? So 6 minus 9. Is 6 bigger than 9? No. So I can't do that. 6 minus 9, can't do that. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to take one of our 10s and move it to the ones column. So I'm going to cross out the 5. I'm going to make it a 4. And then, remember this 5 is worth 50. So I made it a 4, so now it's worth 40. So those 10 that I took away, I'm going to move to the ones column. So I'm going to put it right here. So now I have 16. So instead of 6, I now have 16. Okay? 16 minus 9. Can I do that? Yeah. 16 minus 9 is 7. Then I go 4 minus 2 is 2. All right? Make sure you put your dollar sign there, circle your answer. Now that's our only example. Let's jump to our lesson practice so we can get a little bit more practice with that new concept. Let's look at A. It says 53 minus 29. All right? 53 minus 29, 3 minus 9. Can I do that? Nope, because 3 is smaller than 9. So here's what it sounds like. 3 minus 9, can't do that. Cross out the 5, make it a 4, change the 3 into 13. Right? 3 minus 9 I can't do, so I have to make it 13 minus 9. To get those extra 10, I've got to borrow it from the tens place next door. All right? Let's get going. 13 minus 9 is 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. So I get 24. Let's move on to B. 6 minus 7. Can I take away 7 from 6? No, 7's bigger than 6. So 6 minus 7, can't do that. Cross out the 5, make it a 4, change it into 16. 16 minus 7 is 9. 4 minus 2 is 2. So I get 29. All right, that's my key. Can I do 6 minus 7? Is 6 bigger than 7? Nope. That's how I know I got to go next door and borrow. Let's look at C. 42 minus 24. 2 minus 4. Is 2 bigger than 4? Nope, so can't do that. Cross out the 4, make it a 3. Change the 2 into 12. 12 minus 4 is 8. 3 minus 2 is 1. So I get $18. You guys are crushing it. Let's go on to D. 0 minus 7. If I have 0, can I take away 7? Nope, so I got to go next door. 0 minus 7, can't do that. Cross out the 6. Make it a 5. Remember, I got to drop that one down 1 because I'm going next door with those 10s. Change the 0 into 10. 10 minus 7 is 3. 5 minus 2 is 3. So I get $33. Last one, E. 3 minus 6. Can't do that, right? Because 3 is smaller than 6. 3 minus 6, can't do that. Cross out the 6, make it a 5. Change the 3 into 13. 13 minus 6 is 7. 5 minus 3 is 2. So I get 27. All right? Excellent job. Let's go, and we're going to put this in your Wednesday folder. It's easy 10 points, so thanks for working really hard on it. Then let's get into some of our problems for today, and let's go through them together. Third grade, let's get going on some problems. We are on lesson 15. Let me find where I put my pen. Here it is. So make sure you get your name on the top. The ones that I have circled are the ones that we're going to do together, so make sure you watch all the way to the end of the video so you can get some free answers. Let's start with 1 and 2. Those are our word problems. Sorry. This camera. There we go. 1. Jimmy found 618 acorns under one tree. He found 117 acorns under another tree. How many acorns did Jimmy find in all? So I know I'm trying to find the total. If I'm going to try to find the total, gotta add. So let's take those two numbers. 618 plus 117. If we were in class, we would say this all together, so please still say it with me at home. 8 plus 7 is 15. 1 goes up, 5 comes down. 1 plus 1 is 2, plus another one is 3. 6 plus 1 is 7. 735. Do I need a label? Yes. So I get 735 acorns. Let's go to number 2. Number 2 says, on the first day, Reuben collected 16 leaves. On the second day, Reuben collected some more leaves. Did he tell us how many? We just know it was 16 plus more. Giving him a total of 76 leaves. Total, so what comes after equal sign? 76 leaves. How many leaves did he collect on the second day? Missing number and addition sentence. To find the answer, we subtract. So put 76 on top. 6 minus 6 is 0. 7 minus 1 is 6. So he collected 60 leaves on the second day. Do I need a label? Yes, we need those leaves as our label. Excellent. Let's go to number 3. Notice I was on page 91. I'm flipping over to page 92. Remember, you can always find that page number at the top of your sheet. Number 3 says use the digits 3, 6, and 7 to write an even number less than 400. Use each digit only once. So I need to use the digits 3, 6, and 7, even number less than 400. Well, 3, 6, and 7, what's the only one of those that's even? 6. So 6 has to be at the end, right? Our last number determines if our entire number is even or odd. 6 is even, so our number is going to be even. It's got to be less than 400. So let's look at our hundreds place next. Do we want the 3 or the 7 in our hundreds place if it's got to be lower than 400? 3. So 376. Awesome. Number 6, compare 57, 75, or 57. So 75 or 57. Well, this one's got a 7 in the tens place. This one's only got a 5 in the tens place. So we know 75 has to be bigger. So A greater than. B, we got to do some addition. It says 5 plus 7 or 4 plus 8. 5 plus 7, 4 plus 8. Well, let's solve those. What's 5 plus 7? 12. What's 4 plus 8? 12. So 12 equals 12. All right. Excellent. Down to number 15. Number 15 says 38 plus B equals 59. Missing number in an addition sentence. To find the answer, I subtract. So I do 59 minus 38. 9 minus 8 is 1. 5 minus 3 is 2. So we get B equals 21. All right, you should have completed 1, 2, 3, 6, and 15. Flip it over, we got 2 more, 7 today. Number 17. 456 minus 120. Make sure you get dollar signs on there. Six minus 0 is 6. 5 minus 2 is 3. 4 minus 1 is 3. So put your dollar sign there. We get 336. Notice how neatly I stacked those up, right? Ones on top of ones, tens on top of tens, hundreds on top of hundreds. Then number 25. Number 25, we got a sequence and we're going backwards. -7, -14, -21. So we're counting by sevens, we just got to go backwards. -7, -14, -21, -28. Yep, that would come next. -35, -42. Remember, 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42 is how we count with positives in 7. So we're doing negatives, it just goes backwards. -7, -14, -21, -28, -35, -42. So in the sign, it would be -28, -35, -42. Excellent. Good luck on the rest of your problems. If you have any more questions, make sure you ask me at our 1 o'clock Zoom call.